Here's another example. It's problem number 2. We have the same list, but we're not going to calculate the sum. We're going to try to print out all the even numbers that we have in the list. Okay, so again, I have my list over here. I'm going to make sure that it's the same list. So I'm going to go through these items one by one and test them. If this number is even, print it out. If it's not, just do nothing. Check out the next one. Okay, let's take a look over here. How can I do that? It's very simple. So I have my list. I'm going to say 4, and then the variable name, whatever you want. Let's say num, and then my list name, which is number, colon. Okay, so I want to double check that. If I want to see if this number is an even number or not. So we saw that before. You can test it. You're going to say if num module 2 equal module 2 equal to 0. That means this number is even. Print num. And that's it. That's the whole problem. Let's run it and test it. Here you go. First number 6, yes, it's printed. 5 ignored. 3 is ignored. 8 is printed. 4, 2, all of them over here. And 5 we ignored it. 4 we printed it. 11 we ignored it. And that's it. That's the program. Very simple. If you want to do the even numbers, the odd numbers, you can change this one to 1, and then you're going to get the odd numbers. Okay, so we have an if statement inside a for loop, and that's about it.